crews making their approach. Wind and currents coming kind of left to right across the screen. Been giving captains a little bit of fits today, but not too crazy. It's not too bad. Cap is coming in a little hot. They toss a line up, but that's a bow line. No, you hooked it a little too early. The stern is going to kick out on you, and the current and winds grabbed him. You guys are going to have to get another line out. Watch out for the boat behind you. Oh, hang on. Cap hits the throttle. Now we're going backwards the wrong way. We're going to hit the boat. Oh, no. Our girl on the boat's like, hands off. Oh, we hit the front, too. No, 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 no. Somebody just jumps off the bow. Our kid, look at him. He jumped off the bow like, bro, just get me off of this boat. That was absolutely hilarious. If you see the kid walking up front, he literally just jumped off the bow like, nah, bro, I ain't with this guys. Look, he's even walking away like, just no, not with them. This isn't me. Oh, man. Our girl's over here trying to assess the damage. Oh. Things get out of hand at the ramp. I feel horrible for both these crews. And our crew on the right, if you look, they've already got some kind of damage going on the motor as well. So they're already having a rough day. And this is just added to it. So everybody comes. We're all taking a look. Oh. The good news is that everybody's all right. I got nervous when the kid was getting on the stern of the boat right before Captain punched it back forward. That kid could have easily took a swim. And be careful, guys. They're trimming this motor up, but this motor's still on that they're trimming up as well. I can see exhaust coming out of the back. And that's not what you want to do either. But welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are at Black Point. So this one's interesting. We've got one boat on the dock. The second boat's coming in behind him, but somebody's trying to launch in front of them. There's definitely not a rough room here for three boats on the dock. I don't know what the guy who's trying to launch is thinking. So our guy's walking up the dock in the black shirt. I'm assuming he's trying to walk up to this crew like to say, what the heck are you doing, bro? But he's coming back anyway. So our guy's going to get out. I'm assuming they're going to try and launch this thing is what it looks like. But I just don't know where they're going to go with it. So they're talking to the guy up there. He's grabbed the line. So I'm assuming, okay, yep. Our guy here on the dock's trying to tell him, hey, we'll walk you around the boat. So they're going to go ahead and let him launch and get this thing ready to roll. And one of his crewmates has the line, and then they're going to walk him around. But this is tight. There's not a whole lot of space here for them to pull this one off. And there's a boat on the other side as well. This could get interesting. Anytime they're walking around like this, it gets interesting. And here we go. After a few minutes, we've got this thing launched, and we're ready to see our walk around. So we've got our guy pushing the boat out. We've started our exit. Trim this bad boy in. Let's get this motor started. That's something I probably would have started with on a method like this, because once we get out here, we're kind of on our own if we have an issue. And it looks like he's cranking, and we've got no start, and that's going to make this one interesting, because there's nowhere for him to put it now. Because there's no room on the dock. It's not like you can just tie this bad boy up and play with it to try and get it going. So he's still at it, priming it up a little bit to see if he can get it to roll. And there we go. We got a little fire. So I'm assuming we're going to continue our walk around now and try and get this thing done. Backs it down to neutral. And here we go. This method's always fun. It never works perfect. And did the motor? No. Oh, here we go. They're pulling him off the dock. And they let go of the bow line. And he's going to go drifting. And here we go, bro. The fun starts. And once again, this just never works perfect. It's always a tough call to try and do the walk around. It always turns into just a crapshoot. Our guy's trying to get out of here, but they're spinning tires, and now he's being held for traffic as well. So here we go. They'll get another shot at it, and no, we are just going to keep it spinning. So we'll go ahead and back up a little bit to try and get the running start. Probably would have backed up a little more than that, but no, we got somebody over there bouncing. And they're probably going to need an assist on getting off the dock here because they're not getting a whole lot of traction. And what makes this one tough is it's busy down here today. And that's where it gets a little worse is when it's busy. What is he? Man, that's not going to work, bro. He's putting something under the tire. I mean, if you want to do something to the tire that'll work, let a little air out. And there we go. Smoking gun. Let's get it going. But we're going to need a couple extra people. But that's still one that I don't see people do very often either. Like right here, like if you wanted to get a little more rubber on the ground, let a little air out of the tire. Oh, they got it. It's going to roll. And they're going to get it out of here. And you can hear the roar from the crowd as we are packed over here on the bank today. There's a ton of people down here watching the action go on. But our crew looks good to roll. They're going to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.